Good day, sir. Here is my notebook, which contains my handwritten drawing of the profile based on a given image. I sketched the for-loop shape with all important radii and dimension, and below it I wrote the G-code program I will use in the CNC VMC simulator. This shows how I converted the drawing into CNC instruction. Now in the simulator, the program begins with D21, G17, Z28, G90. To set metrics unit, select the XY plane. Return to the machine home and activate Absolute Positioning Tool. 1 is selected with D1, M6 and the spindle starts. Clockwise at 270 RPM with M03, S1 273. The machine rapidly moves to the origin and then to a safe height of 50 mm to avoid collision. The tool moves to the starting point at X1, 20, Y0 and fits down to the cutting depth using D01, 70, F150. It first cuts a straight line along white with 0, Y1, 100, then circular interpolation commands create the profile. G03 times 105, Y110, R8 for a small counterclockwise arc. G02, X10, Y105, R100 for a large clockwise curve. And G03, X0, Y95, R4 for a small rounded corner. This continues with more arcs along the left and bottom sides, alternating clockwise and counterclockwise with appropriate radii, until the contour is complete. After finishing the profile, the two tracks, the Z50, the spindle stop with M05 and the machine return to the origin with G00, X0, Y0. The program ends with M30. In the simulation, you can see the tool moving smoothly along straight lines and curved path, forming a continuous loop profile that matches my hand-drawn sketch. The program demonstrates proper use of rapid moves, linear cuts, and both clockwise and counterclockwise are producing an accurate and clean machine chip.